Tonight, we will have dinner at a restaurant.
Please walk slowly.
Let's look at the menu.
Anna, look at me. You are funny, Tom.
We want soup and fish.
Hey, look! The table is shaking! Oops, the menu fell off.
Hey! Be careful!
Please, be gentle.
Wow! What is that? Hey! It looks like the tail of a crocodile. I gotcha! Whoa! The table is moving! Hey, stop! I can't eat! I don't like this.
What is happening?
Hey! Stop what you are doing!
Run! Don't let him catch us!
Hey! Stop running!
This is a restaurant. Running is forbidden.
I am sorry about that. I will tell the kids to stop running. Let's go back to our seat. No more running.
Yes, Mom.
Enjoy the meal.
Here you go, Tom. Eat slowly.
Wow, this soup is so tasty. Hey, your mouth is not clean. Look, this lobster claw is so big.
Hey! Please be quiet. Sorry about that.
Dad, I cannot break it.
Hey! It's too noisy.